welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are playing pkxd. And guess what, guys? The new update came and this door in the pet shop is opening. And the new update also came. Before we begin this video, please remember to subscribe, like and share. Yeah, then let's begin to another video, guys. So let's see what this robot says. Still don't know what's going on, but I heard a scientist saying that it's gonna be a huge deal to keep your repeated again. Still don't know what's going on, but I heard a scientist saying that it's gonna be a huge deal to keep your repeated pets. And they will be stored in your inventory. Check the Pets app in your phone. New flying pets bird. It's time for birds. We are expanding our pet collection to keep it fresh. Visit the pet shop in order to meet your new pet partners. Pet decks level up. Level up your pet decks by completing the collection of available pets. Discover new pet species and take care of them to progress and achieve higher levels. As always, bug fix and small enhancements. Let us know what you think. Write your review to help us keep improving. Okay, let's collect the 200 coins. Thank you for the 200 coins. Now let's see. Yes, I want to buy one. Let's buy from a super pet shop.
There's a normal.
Okay, guys, let's watch an ad. Okay, guys, let's watch the last ad. Now it's for free because I watched the ad. I got my weekly quests. Yes, button. A bird up. And this dragon came back from the Christmas update. This dragon also came from the Christmas update. What is this? And this lion even came back. Let's go here. Here's the collection. This snow concher is back. This hoverboard is back. Sorry guys, I just bought one pack, but I bought it yesterday, the pack. Okay guys, so let's check what else is new. Up there even there is birds. And this new bundle. And even a lunar dragon is here. This bird in this outfit here that is showing. Even this is here. Even the snow launcher. This hoverboard even was here. Look at them. Yes, I like you. No, that just flew away. Oh well, I have another one. The door has still good. I still. But guys, I will just take the picture of that robot now. One will come without. Not 40. Let's put this. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to subscribe, like and share guys. And bye guys. Bye, I love you.